Okay, welcome to the second movie. Just few words about technique. You saw the first part of the movie where I started that portrait, and okay, what I have done after. The first part I painted in 3 hours, and now to do that layer it took me 4 more hours for the face and also for the hair. Okay, so altogether is around 8 hours, 9 hours. Okay, so I can stop at that level, let me know, or I can go further to add maybe 3, 4, 5 hours more to make, you know, to fix the nose, the eye socket, the lips, and many other things. But do I have to do that? That second part of the movie, it's about, we have to see what is the price of one artwork. So, first layer, second layer, 8, 9 hours, 9 hours, okay, it's 2 days of work. Okay, my average fee for 1 day, I'm living in the Philippines, by the way, it's 2,500 pesos a day. Minimum wage is that. I cannot work below that. Okay, so that portrait, it's 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 pesos for that portrait. I can go further, but if I go further, my price will go up. Will go about 10K, 10,000K Filipino pesos. Is it necessary to do it? That not depend on me, because if that depend on me, I will work. I will work again during I don't know, the necessary time to make something that I'm proud of. Now I'm not very proud of that. It's good, but it's not very fantastic. Okay, but let me know in the comment below if you think it's good. Huh? Okay, that will delight me if you tell me, okay, Ricardo is good, you did it well. Thank you very much for those who will be kind enough to give me some help and enjoyment. Okay, so we go back to the value of art. So, you know, I can make things much easy. So that kind of portrait here, I don't know if it's blurred or not. Okay, it's a graphite portrait. I can do that in 1 day easily. So if one customer asks me about portrait, I can say, okay, first step, you can have one portrait, graphite portrait in 1 day. It's around 2,500 pesos. That is the first step. The second step is that level. 2 layers of painting. The first layer, the blocking layer, and after that, a layer where I can start to module. It's not perfect, but is that level, and of course it's cheaper than the next level. The next level is doing something fantastic, but the price are up, of course, up to that. So that's why I wanted to say about that second part of the movie. The customer needs to know one thing very important. It's, you know, if an artist work in commission, if you commission me something, the price will be lower than if I work on myself and no one's order me something, because you know, the risk, I take all the risk to stay in my house with all my paintings that I'm looking for exhibitions, and each exhibition costs me money. So to exhibit myself, that costs me money. So you understand, I hope, very easily that if you order me something, that will be cheaper than if I have to pay for exhibition, to show myself, to show my work. It's time consuming, and time consuming, it's a value, as a value. So I will let you here. Hope you are doing well. For the artist, never give up, still painting, and for the customer, okay, I hope you understand how the value of art, what we can do, and depend of your ability to pay for that. Huh? We have to live, we are human beings, and here you have my studio, modest studio. And of course, like everyone, I hope for the best, for me and also for you. So I hope to see you soon. Keep being well. I love you, I need you. See you soon for the next exhibition.